All right, so this is the beginning of a case study that I'm going to run on how to get webinar attendance for your webinar without actually having to pay for ads or anything like this. So I am launching this webinar, this masterclass here, and so as of now I have 14 attendants, which all arrived this morning. I am not running ads, so there's no acquisition cost for me. And I'm not promoting that in any way. I'm not sending any emails or anything like that. I came up with a new method to fill my webinar. So here I'm going to refresh this page. So we're going to see if that number has moved. So we have 14 attendees as of now, and hopefully in real time we will have more attendees. And this is just going to keep growing, and I'm going to actually document the whole process. All right, so we have 19 attendees, okay? Do you normally have to run ads to get people into your webinars? But here with this technique, I will be able to fill your webinars without having to run ads, without risking being suspended or anything like this, okay? So this is basically day one. We're just starting out, and then now I am going to document this over the next couple of days, and we're going to see how many registrants we can actually have. Okay? So that is pretty much it. See you in the next couple of videos.